Good morning, everyone. Morning. Amber alert. Oh gosh, that's the way to start the video, jumping at the first thing. Anyway, day 6 now. It is April 1st. I just got an email from my CEO saying we're going to be remote until May 4th. Oh God, this is gonna be ridiculous. But it's going well. I mean, there has been no problems this whole week, and it's Wednesday now, so no problems at all. I didn't record anything yesterday because it was just so busy at work, so I didn't have any time. At least it was Wednesday or Monday, one of those days. I mean, Tuesday or Monday. But yeah, I'm just... Why are you sitting like that? What are you... Okay. That's my little barrier. Since I have the kittens, I don't want them to go out there, but my dog and cat love, my older cat loves going out on the balcony. So I made a little barrier. And it's also pretty chilly outside. It is 68 degrees, you know, in Florida, so it's pretty chilly for us. So my house is actually 71 degrees currently. But yeah, right now, because it's kind of slow with work, I'm going to actually do the dishes right now. So I'm gonna do a little speed time lapse for that. I'm just really tired.
See you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life of fantasy.